Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is cells transform everything. At this very moment, 37 trillion cells are working in perfect harmony with your body. Each one is a universe unto itself, containing the complete blueprint of who you are while simultaneously performing its unique function in the symphony of your existence. These cellular citizens of your being are not just biological machines. They are conscious participants in your experience, listening to every thought you think, responding to every emotion you feel, transforming in alignment with every belief you hold. What if I told you that your cells are not only the building blocks of your physical form, but the bridge between your consciousness and your reality? That they are constantly translating your inner world into your outer experience, your thoughts into your biology, your beliefs into your body. Today, we explore the profound truth that your cellular intelligence is far more powerful than you have ever imagined. And that by learning to communicate consciously with this inner universe, you can literally transform every aspect of your existence from the inside out. The consciousness of cells. For too long, Western science viewed cells as mindless machines following genetic programming like robots executing code. But groundbreaking research in cellular biology and epigenetics is revealing a startling truth. Your cells are intelligent, adaptive, and conscious entities that respond not just to biochemical signals, but to the quality of awareness you bring to your experience. Dr. Bruce Lipton's revolutionary work has shown that genes are not destiny, they are possibilities. Your cells are constantly reading the environment you create through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, then selecting which genetic programs to activate based on this information. When you live in chronic stress, your cells activate survival genes. When you dwell in love and appreciation, they activate thriving genes. This means you are not a victim of your genetics, you are the director of your cellular orchestra, conducting the expression of your DNA through the frequency of your consciousness. Every thought is a signal, every emotion is an instruction, every belief is a command that your cells faithfully execute. Ancient wisdom traditions understood this connection between mind and body, consciousness and form. They knew that the body was not separate from the spirit, but rather spirit expressing itself through matter. Modern quantum biology is now confirming what mystics have always known. Consciousness is the organizing principle that guides the dance of molecules within each cell. Your cell remember everything, every experience you have had, your emotions you have fallen or you have felt, every belief you have adopted. This cellular memory is not stored in your brain alone, but distributed throughout your entire being. Your heart cells remember love, your immune cells remember safety or threat, your digestive cells remember nourishment or stress. But here is the miraculous truth, because your cells are conscious and responsive. They can be reprogrammed, old programs or patterns can be released, limiting beliefs can be transformed, healing can occur at the deepest level. Your cells are waiting for new instructions, ready to transform in alignment with your highest vision of health, wealth, and wholeness. The language of cellular communication. Your cells speak a sophisticated language of chemistry, electricity, and vibration. Every emotion you experience creates a unique cocktail of neurotransmitters, hormones, and neuropeptides that bathe your cells in a specific information about your internal state. Joy creates one chemical signature, fear creates another, love generates healing compounds, stress produces inflammatory molecules. This cellular communication system is far more intricate than any human technology. Your cells are constantly sending and receiving millions of messages, coordinating with activities with precision that makes the most advanced computer systems look primitive. They share resources, communicate needs, respond to threats, and celebrate victories, all while maintaining the delicate balance that keeps you alive and functioning. What most people don't realize is that you can consciously participate in this conversation. You can learn to speak the language of yourself through intention, visualization, and emotional coherence. When you focus loving attention on a particular area of your body, you are literally sending healing information to the cells in that region. This is the science behind the placebo effect. Not just belief healing the mind, but belief reprogramming cellular function at the molecular level. In patient in clinical trial experience healing from taking sugar pills, they believe our medicines, their cells are responding to the information encoded in their faith and expectation. Prayer, meditation, and visualization work through these same pathways. When you imagine golden light filling your body, your cells respond to that image by activating repair mechanisms. When you feel gratitude for your health, you're programming your immune system to function optimally. When you speak to your body with love and appreciation, every cell receives that message and transforms accordingly. Indigenous healers have always understood this cellular communication. They knew that illness begins in the realm of energy and information before it manifests as physical symptoms. Their healing practices were designed to restore harmony to the cellular community by addressing the disrupted patterns of information that created diseases in the first place. The regenerative miracle. Here is one of the most astonishing facts about your existence. Your body completely regenerates itself on a regular cycle. Your stomach lining replaces itself every few days. Your skin cells renew every 2 to 3 weeks. Your liver generates every 6 weeks. Even your bones, which seem so solid and permanent, completely rebuild themselves every 7 years. This means that the body you inhabit today is literally not the same body you had 7 years ago. Every atom, every molecule, every cell has been replaced with fresh material drawn from the food you have eaten, the water you have drunk, the air you have breathed. You are a constantly flowing river of renewal, a dynamic process of creation happening moment by moment. But here is a crucial question. If your body is constantly rebuilding itself with new cells, why do chronic conditions persist? Why do old injuries continue to cause pain? Why do limiting beliefs about your health seem to perpetuate themselves year after year? The answer lies in what we might call cellular memory patterns. Your new cells are being constructed according to the same informational blueprints that guided their predecessors. If those blueprints contains patterns of limitation, disease, or dysfunction, the new cells will express those same patterns. However, the same process that perpetuates problems also contains the key to transformation. Since your cells are constantly regenerating according to the information they receive, changing that information can literally change your biology. When you shift your beliefs about what's possible for your health, your cells begin building a new body based on those upgraded specifications. This is why meditation, prayer, and positive visualization have such profound effects on health. They're not just changing your state of mind, they're reprogramming the cellular regeneration process. Every moment of coherent, loving attention you give to your body is literally rebuilding you at the molecular level. The implication of this understanding or staggering, it means that true healing is always possible because you are getting a completely new body on a regular basis. It means that age is not just the accumulation of years, but the accumulation of information patterns. It means that you have the power to consciously participate in your own creation, cell by cell, moment by moment. The immune system as conscious guardian. Your immune system is perhaps the most remarkable example of cellular consciousness in action. It's not just a biological defense mechanism, it's an intelligent network that learns, remembers, adapts, and makes decisions based on incredibly sophisticated information processing. Every day, your immune cells encounter millions of potential threats, bacteria, viruses, toxins, allergens, even your own cells when they become damaged or abnormal. Your immune system must distinguish between what belongs and what does not, what's helpful and what's harmful, what to embrace and what to eliminate. These decisions require a level of intelligence that rivals the most advanced artificial intelligence systems. But your immune system does not operate independently of your consciousness. It's constantly receiving information about your emotional and mental state and adjusting its function accordingly. Chronic stress suppresses immune function. Chronic inflammation often reflects chronic anger or resentment. Autoimmune conditions frequently correspond to patterns of self-attack in thinking and feeling. Conversely, states of love, joy, and appreciation enhance immune function. Laughter literally increases the production of immune cells. Gratitude measurably improves the body's ability to fight infection and prevent cancer. Forgiveness reduces inflammatory markers and promotes healing. This means you can consciously support your immune system not just through diet and exercise, but through the quality of consciousness you bring to your daily experience. Every moment of peace you cultivate is strengthening your body's defenses. Every act of self love is programming your cells to protect and heal you more effectively. When you understand your immune system as a conscious partner rather than an automatic function, you can begin to work with it more intelligently. You can visualize your immune cells as warriors of light, protecting your body with wisdom and precision. You can send appreciation to your lymph nodes, your bone marrow, and your spleen for their tireless service. You can consciously breathe healing energy into your thymus gland, the conductor of your immune orchestra. Transforming through cellular intention. The most profound discovery of modern cell biology is that your cells are not fixed entities but dynamic processes, constantly responding to new information and adapting to changing circumstances. This plasticity, this capacity for transformation is built into the very fabric of your biological existence. Every cell in your body contains the complete genetic library of human potential. A skin cell contains the same DNA as a heart cell, a brain cell, or a liver cell. What makes each cell express its unique function is not different genetic programming, but different activation of the same genetic possibilities. This means that within each cell lies dormant potential that can be awakened through the right signal. Stem cell research has shown us that under the right conditions, cells can literally transform their identity. Skin cells can be reprogrammed to become nerve cells. Fat cells can be converted to muscle cells. Even mature specialized cells can be induced to return to their embryonic state and then develop into completely different cell type. What determines this transformation? Information, signals, instructions encoded in the cellular environment, and the most powerful source of these signals is your own consciousness. Transmitted to the intricate networks of your nervous system, endocrine system, and bioelectric field. When you hold a clear intention for healing, your cells receive that intention as information about their optimal function. When you visualize yourself healthy and whole, you're providing your cellular community with a blueprint for regeneration. When you feel genuine love for your body, you're creating an optimal chemical environment for cellular repair and renewal. This is not wishful thinking. This is applied cellular biology. Research has shown that patients who actively participate in their healing through visualization, meditation, and positive expectation have measurably better conditions of outcomes rather than those who remain passive. Their cells literally respond differently to treatment because they are receiving different informational signals. You can harness this cellular responsiveness in your daily life. Before eating, you can mentally reprogram your cells to extract maximum nutrition from your food. During exercise, you can visualize your muscles become stronger and more efficient. Before sleep, you can instruct your cells to engage in deep repair and regeneration throughout the night. Living as conscious cellular conductor. As you integrate this understanding into your daily experience, you begin to live with a new awareness of this miraculous intelligence that animates your physical form. You realize that you're not just inhabiting your body, you're consciously partnering with 37 trillion cellular allies in the creation of your experience. This partnership requires respect, attention, and conscious communication, just as you would care for a beloved friend. You learn to care for your cellular community with appreciation and intention. You speak to your body with kindness. You nourish it with awareness. You rest it with gratitude. You move it with joy. Every day becomes an opportunity to consciously conduct your cellular orchestra. When you wake up, you might spend a few minutes sending love and appreciation to every system in your body. During stressful moments, you can consciously breathe coherence into your cells, reminding them that all is well. Before important events, you can align your entire being with your highest intention. This is not just self care, this is conscious creation. You're literally sculpting your biology through the quality of awareness you bring to your embodied existence. Every thought of health strengthens your cells. Every feeling of vitality energizes your system. Every moment of presence optimizes your function. Let us understand the integration in cellular gratitude. As we complete this journey into the conscious awareness of your cells, take a moment to feel the incredible intelligence that is animating your existence right now. Your heart is beating without your conscious directions. Your lungs are breathing without your effort. Millions of biochemical reactions are occurring in perfect synchrony, maintaining the miracle of your life. This is not happening to you. This is happening as you, through you, by virtue of your participation in the cosmic intelligence that governs all of life. Your cells are not separate from your consciousness. They are consciousness expressing itself through matter, spirit, dancing in form, infinite intelligence, exploring finite experience. Trust your cellular wisdom, honor your biological intelligence, appreciate the magnificent community of life that you are. Your cells are not just transforming everything in your body, they are transforming everything in your experience, translating your inner world into your outer reality with faithful precision. Every moment offers you the opportunity to consciously participate in this cellular transformation. Every breath is a chance to send new information to your cells. Every heartbeat is an opportunity to program your biology with love, appreciation, and optimal function. Your cells are listening, your cells are responding, your cells are transforming everything according to the consciousness you bring to this miraculous experience of being alive in a body that is not just matter, but spirit in motion, intelligence in action, love expressing itself as a beautiful, dynamic, ever renewing from that you call yourself. Cells transform everything, starting with your willingness to recognize the conscious partnership you share with the living intelligence of your own body starting now. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.